Hi, this is Mark. Today I'm going to show you and demonstrate how to use Smartling system, the TMS, Translation Management Software System. And this is the video tutorial contents which I exported from the table of contents of user guide. So I will walk you through um, to navigate to the product translation project as well as the manual translation project. And within these two projects, you'll be going through translation, review, and publish steps. And in between, I will show you how to reject the string in the reviewing translation step, as well as the post-edit flow. So, to start with, log in the Smartling with your account and password. So it will prompt you to the default page job dashboard. However, the job dashboard doesn't contain all the SKU available on the product list. So we suggest that you go to String View Beta page. Hit Projects, Product Translations, and Translations, String View Beta. So within the string interface, you will be able to see all the strings available within the product translation project. To search a job, we use this SKU 210642 as an example. We select the SKU job, hit the in progress, apply the filter of in progress in status, and always remember to filter in progress jobs so the Smartling can display the strings that need to be translated only. For the rest of the strings that already have the 100% memory will be hidden, which I'll be explaining later in the CAT tool translation interface. One thing to remind you, in the in progress status, it contains both translation and review step jobs. And also remember to select your target languages or the target language you need to be worked with. And once all set, hit the adding cat tools under actions column. It will prompt you to the translation interface. So in the translation interface, this is a summary of job. If you hit context, you'll be able to see the product image. On your right, this is a language resource panel where you can insert the memory and glossary. So by default, we set the benchmark of memory rate of 75%. So Smartling system will automatically identify the best matches memory and auto-populate it to the string. Okay, so let's continue with the translation. So I'm going to start to translate. This is the product title with the character limit of 70. So be sure to translate within the character limit. Okay, so this is the Vita Excel glossary, the brand. So if you hover your mouse to the glossary, it will display do not translate. So just leave it as it is, like the source text. If you find the brand need to be translated is non-Vita Excel brand, please refer to the user guide for further explanation. Okay, so one of the things I would like to particularly highlight here is if you see the grooving line of the memory, that means the memory is separated. So if you see the grooving line of the memory, you need to merge the segment into the next into next. So once you merge the segment, you are able there is a memory which allows you to insert or auto-populate once the memory is above 75 rate. So if you would like to roll back and translate a particular string individually, hit the resource segmentation and you are allowed to translate this string individually. And one of the things I would like to particularly highlight here is there might be HTML code within the source text. If you see the HTML code, you need to hit the HTML code to here, like for example, a bracket. So once the HTML code is inserted, and you need to, if there's a memory, you can insert it and drag the right bracket to the corresponding placement according to the source text. However, if there's no memory, you have to hit the HTML code first and start the translation information within the bracket first, and then continue your translation, rest of your translation. So like I said, if we hit the hide lock string, some 100% show lock string, sorry, some of the string that contains 100% memory will be displayed. However, in this case, it seems that there is no 100% memory smart matches auto published, so leave as it is. And also, if you see there is a issue arrow from the source text, you can open new issue, source by default, and select the recent of okay, so onto where we left behind. Yeah, so once you hit open issue, you will select the source by default and select the reason of subtype and hit your reasons in the description don't fill, create issue. Okay, the issue will be created. So there are two ways to save the page, save the string. You can either one-on-one to save, okay, one string after another, or you can hit save page and you will save all, and it will prompt you to see all the contents in the jobs has been saved. Would you like to submit? Hit submit. Okay, and usually there will be one pop-up given three select options, and you just hit the first one. Okay, yeah, this one, submit 10 saved translation in this job. Hit submit. Okay, and now we go to this dashboard. Okay, and hit the in progress, and they should be in the reviews tab. Okay, so now we go to edit. Before we move on to the reviews tab, I'm going to show you how to select the multiple jobs. Okay, so you can select the multiple jobs. Okay, like for example, here, yeah, maybe multiple, like something like this, and all the jobs that you selected, all the strings will be displayed here, but you don't have to read all the string. Just go to the adding cat tool, where it will prompt you to the translation interface, and the total word count here has an error, so don't take it seriously, and we have already report to Smartling, and we will follow it up on the system bug. Okay, so and one of the thing I would like to particularly share with you is the SKU range workaround. Since we cannot search by SKU range, if you would like to search by range, then deduct the last digit. For example, if I would like to search 1487402 to 1487449, you just hit 14874, okay, 14874. Again, okay, 14874. Okay, so it will list 1487402 to 1487449, but it will display the irrelevant SKU. So be aware, you cannot just hit the select display result. You have to select the range you wish to select by yourself, one-on-one. Okay, and now onto the SKU code 210642. Okay, so remember oh sorry, 210, yeah, 210643. Okay, and all of them are in the review tab. Go to add in cat tool. Okay, and now I'm going to reject one string. So how to do it? move your cursor to the particular string, open new issue, choose the translation, for translation, and hit the reasons to reject in the description field, create issue. Okay, and there will be a red flag with the lever turned to red color. Okay, so now once you finish reviewing, again hit save page. Okay, oh, see. Okay, oh, like here. Oh, yeah, I have given open issue, right? So yeah. Okay, save page, save. Okay, perhaps oh yeah, you have to not, yeah, you can hit here, sorry, not open new issue during the review step. So hit the cross reject. So this for translation, reject. So now you rejected one string, okay, and hit the save page, save, okay, and one of all of the string will be moved to publish step, while this string will be staying, will be rolling back to the translation step. Okay, so hit submit. Okay, again apply the filter where you can see the unresolved issue, and as a translator you need to resolve that error string, the string that contains error. So yeah, once you finish revision, turn the lever to green, save page, save, okay, then submit, okay, and then again oh gosh, what happened? Let me see again. Okay, submit. Yeah, that's in the review step, right? So it will prompt you to, yeah, that was the review step. So once you hit submit, and there is no in progress string, neither translation nor review step string. So all of the strings are in published. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how to do the post edit. Okay, so to do the post edit, you have to open up your Jira ticket as well as your CMS. Okay, we'll be using the SKU code 409117. So to search it again, Okay, remember in progress. So once there is revision completed in the CMS, it will trigger to untranslated. In Lifer, so as to likewise, Smartling will also display as a translation here. So once you apply all the filters, adding cat tool, and then will prompt you to continue editing this translation. So yeah, wow, that's a big chunks of translation I need to complete. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh, and also remember, you have to follow the description from the GLA ticket. Like for example, take 409117 as an example. Okay. There should be. Oh. Yeah, you have to follow the detailed revision from your GLA ticket and continue editing your translation. And also, just a quick reminder, since there is a incomplete memory within Smartling, and what we are working on right now is the OSKU. Since the memory is incomplete, you may log in to the CMS to copy and paste, but you have to proofread, okay, to do a translation. Okay, that allow me to, yeah, in order to make our Smartling memory complete. Okay, material. This should be this one, right? Dimension, this one, okay. And also this one. Oh gosh. Okay, here. Okay. Now I'm going to finish. Allow me to double check. With doubt. This one. Yep. This one. And also this one. Okay, now I finish the translation, save page, save, and submit. Okay, all the contents in this job will. You can hit the submit here. Please remember select the first option. Okay, all of them are complete. Okay, so back to the 409117. Okay, now they're in. There are interview step, and box select the string. Okay, by hitting this tick box, submit to next step, and all the strings you selected should be in the publish step. Okay, so there are no strings within the in progress steps left. So now I'm going to show you the manual translation. And one of the difference between product translation and manual translation is that there may be, okay, like for example, allow me to use this as a, maybe this one. Okay, anyway, yeah, like for example, I use this as an example. Okay, so in the translation, manual translation, the only difference is here. Okay, oh yeah, I've already highlighted in the review step that if the strings are locked, you need to hit the lock icon to unlock the string in order to continue editing. And okay, so for the section for manual translation, the only difference between the product translation and manual translation is that the contents will be divided into more than one page. So if the content is displayed in more than one page in both translation review interface, you need to save page and submit the strings on one page after another. Okay, so this is something a little bit different. Yeah, so this is the end of our training session. Thank you for listening.